Hello, this is Heather from Keep It Simple Social Media, and in this video I want to show you on Instagram how you can upload up to 10 photos or 10 videos or 10 photos and videos on your Instagram account as a regular post. So let's open up our Instagram account and let's go over to our own account by clicking on the bottom right hand corner, and it is in here that you add your posts by clicking on the plus sign located at the bottom. But before I do that, I'm just going to show you this post here. This is an actual video playing, and there's the second one, there's the third one. You can see the time up in the top right hand corner, 17 seconds, 13-second video, 12-second video, and so on and so forth. And how I did that was I simply clicked on the plus, opened up my own camera roll, and started choosing the videos that I wanted to load to this account. And you see, I am loading multiple videos, but they're not adding. So what I actually have to do is I have to click select multiple. Now look what it says, share up to 10 photos and videos in one post. Now we simply click on all of the videos and photos that we would like to upload, and there's my 10th one. And now all we have to do is click next, and then we can apply a filter if we wanted. Click next again, top right hand corner. And now we can add our location, we can add all our tags, we can write our description, and we can even tag people in this post on Instagram. So that is how you can now upload up to 10 videos in one post on Instagram. This is Heather. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications so you can get all my new videos as I put them out here on YouTube. Remember everyone, let's keep it simple.